Okay, we're doing this roof cleaning, and this part of the roof has some fairly heavy moss, especially under this ledge here. So whenever we've got moss that's a little bit thicker, you can see here, because we want the solution to get all the way down to the root of the growth, I'm gonna come through with either my hand or a soft bristle brush. So you could do this with a brush from the ladder if you were not able to get up on the roof. And we're just gonna gently pull some of this top layer off of there so that our solution actually gets down to the root. Now I'm not gonna go through and nitpick and try to get every little piece. You can see the rest of the roof has got all these little chunks all along the edge of the shingles. I'm not going through there and picking all of that stuff off. I'm just more focused on the heavier pieces, the pieces that look like they're kind of carpeted, because we, like I said, want our solution to get all the way down. So that's how you remove thicker masses of moss, either just gently with your hand or with a soft bristle brush from the ladder.